are the rice husks.
Come and start spreading
They
this.
mix it into the soil.
There's stones here. You know where we're putting this rice?
So let me see if I get the granite and then get them to put the granite here. The challenge we had this morning was our gate is too narrow, and the vehicles bringing the stuff could not enter through this gate. So we are going to we had them dump it. Let me see if I can show where they dumped it. Actually, I might not be able to show you. It's a little bit of a distance. They dumped it back behind that wall on that fence. That's where it was dumped. So they're bringing it with the wheelbarrow from there in here. So I've moved my car outside. I might move the Mercedes outside too because it's going to get in the way of what we need to get done today. So they're mixing the rice husk into the soil, and then they're going to put topsoil on top of it.